Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to make bean cake, popularly known as AKARA. It is common in Nigerian meals and it goes with pap, custard, bread, especially for breakfast. My preferred beans to use for this AKARA is the white beans. All you have to do is soak it in water for some minutes and dehull it. Rinse with clean water and sift the beans from the shaft. To the other ingredients, I'll be using onion, pepper and salt. Transfer the washed beans into a blender. Ensure you're using a very good blender for this. And add enough water to blend. Blend it until a smooth paste is formed. Blend the pepper and onion too separately. Transfer the blended beans into a bowl and mix very well until it is light, soft and fluffy. And if you have a hand mixer, you can use it for a better result. Before adding the pepper, make sure the mixture isn't too runny. And add salt to taste. Heat up some oil, enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, scoop the akara into the hot oil with a spoon and fry on medium heat. Stir at interval until it is well cooked. Try to adjust the heat if the oil is too hot so the akara can fry very well and be well cooked. Then drain it in a sieve. Then our akara is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy it with pap, custard, oats, bread and so on. Do well to like this video, subscribe, share to your family and friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.